Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at a powerhouse collaboration in personal audio, the Skullcandy Method 360 ANC Wireless Earbuds featuring sound by Bose. Designed for active lifestyles, workouts, and daily commutes, this pair merges Skullcandy's bold, durable aesthetic with Bose's legendary acoustic engineering and noise-canceling expertise. The standout highlight of the Method 360 is the sound by Bose acoustic architecture. Co-engineered with Bose, these earbuds deliver rich, dynamic audio with deep bass, clear mid-range, and wide spatial range, giving you a premium listening experience at an accessible price point. Active noise cancellation is powered by an adjustable 4-microphone hybrid system. Combined with custom ear gels and secure fit fins, the Method 360 effectively blocks out gym chatter, street traffic, and engine hums. When you need situational awareness, the customizable stay-aware mode lets outside sound pass through naturally. Battery performance is exceptional, offering up to 11 hours of continuous playtime in the earbuds and up to 40 total hours with the charging case when ANC is off. With ANC enabled, you still get up to 32 total hours. Plus, a quick 10-minute rapid charge delivers 2 full hours of playback. Built for non-stop action, the earbuds carry an IPX4 sweat and water resistance rating, paired with Skullcandy's signature clip anywhere carabiner-style case design that easily attaches to backpacks or gym bags. Rounding out the feature set is Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point pairing, clear voice smart mic tech for crisp calls, Google Fast Pair, and full EQ customization via the Skullcandy app. If you want Bose-engineered sound and noise cancellation packed into a rugged, high-battery earbud built for active days, the Skullcandy Method 360 ANC is a fantastic value. If you found this overview helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe for more audio reviews, and check out the affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.